everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimmy from Kimmy Add Sparkle. I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I thought I would share with you how to make a card, this card in particular. If you saw my last video, I was using Aurora and I made a 2-page layout using the Aurora paper pack, but I'm going to continue using the same paper pack to create this card today. Let's get started. I've got a few techniques to show you with this one. Alright, so what I'll do is I've actually got one of our pre-made card bases here, but if you don't have these, the card is actually, the size is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored in the middle. So I will just fold my card base. Okay, I'm going to cut all my pieces and I will speed this section up. Okay, I'll finish cutting up. So I've got my 3 pieces here. This one is the zip strip. And it's 1/2 inch by 5.5, and this again, there's both of these pattern paper are 1/2 inch by 5.5 as well. Alright, so the thing I'm going to bring in is the card base. Now here I'm going to grab a scrap piece of paper, so I'm going to do the splattering again. So I will grab out my sapphire ink with my water brush here. I like these water brushes because in the barrel is where you keep all your water. Alright, so we'll squeeze in the middle. Put a little bit of water on there. Make it all watery and then just splatter. Okay, and the next bit I'm going to do, so while that's drying, I'm actually going to stamp the accent that goes on the front. Now I have already pre-cut this on my Cuttlebug, on my die cutting machine, just to save a bit of time. Yeah, so this is the shape that I need, and I've got my stamp here, and this stamping technique I'm going to use is the rock and roll stamping technique. I'm just seasoning the stamp, and I'm going to test it on test paper first. I've got my squishy mat again. Alright, so what we need is, I've got peacock, so I'm going to do peacock first. We'll continue on, we'll do, I'm pretty happy with that, so I'll stamp it down, lining it up and stamp it down. Okay, so now that we've got that, you can see that we've got the peacock in the middle and the sapphire around the edge. Okay, so now that we've done that bit, we'll bring back in our base card, which is nice and dry now. Now we can start adding these on. So now that we've done that, we are going to stamp a couple of arrows either side in charcoal. Done. And now we'll bring in our adds a little bit of dimension, and then we'll bring in our little embellishments here. These are the acrylic shape. And there you have it. It's like HANDMADE. Quick, simple. Thank you so much for watching this. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.